Here is our list of the top 5 best security cameras you can get right now. The Reolink Duo 3 PoE delivers exceptional 16-megapixel ultra-high-definition video using dual 4K sensors and provides a seamless 180 degrees panoramic view. Ideal for both indoor and outdoor use, it features PoE connectivity for simplified installation, color night vision up to 100 feet, and smart detection for people, vehicles, and animals. Motion tracking, two-way audio, a built-in spotlight and siren enhance real-time security. It supports 24/7 recording with flexible local storage and integrates with Google Assistant. Weatherproof and efficient, it offers advanced surveillance with intelligent features, wide coverage, and user-friendly remote access via the Reolink app. The Arlo Pro 5S2K is a wireless weather-resistant security camera designed for indoor and outdoor use. It delivers sharp 2K HDR video with color night vision, a 160 degrees wide-angle lens, and 12 times digital zoom for detailed monitoring. Key features include a built-in spotlight, siren, two-way audio, dual-band Wi-Fi, and smart detection for people, vehicles, and packages. It integrates with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Eufy, and offers extended battery life. While easy to install and use, full functionality like cloud storage and advanced alerts requires an Arlo Secure subscription. The Lorex 4K Spotlight Indoor-Outdoor Security Camera is a versatile high-resolution surveillance solution offering 4K Ultra HD video with an 8-megapixel sensor and a 140 degrees field of view for broad coverage. It features color night vision with a booster for vivid footage in low light, smart security lighting with 16.7 million customizable colors, and smart motion detection plus that identifies people, vehicles, animals, and packages. Built-in siren, two-way audio, and motion-activated warning lights add active deterrence. With IP65 weatherproofing, dual-band Wi-Fi 6, local microSD storage, Alexa Google integration, and Lorex Fusion compatibility, it provides reliable intelligent home security. The Eufy SoloCam S330 is a wire-free solar-powered outdoor camera, offering 2K high-definition video and color night vision with a 600-lumen spotlight. Its built-in solar panel requires only 2 hours of sunlight daily for continuous operation, backed by an internal battery for nighttime use. On-device AI provides fast, accurate person detection, reducing false alerts. The camera features two-way audio, a 90 decibels siren, customizable activity zones, and 8 GB of encrypted local storage, no subscription needed. IP67 weatherproofing ensures durability, and it integrates with Alexa and Google Assistant. It's an ideal low-maintenance choice for smart, reliable home security. The Ring Stick-Up Cam Pro is a flexible indoor-outdoor security camera offering 1080p HDR video and color night vision for clear footage day or night. It features 3D motion detection with bird's eye view and customizable motion zones for precise monitoring. Available in battery, plug-in, or solar versions, it offers easy installation and dual-band Wi-Fi for stable connectivity. Enhanced two-way audio with noise cancellation allows clear communication, while a remote-activated siren boosts security. Weather-resistant and Alexa-compatible, it integrates seamlessly with the Ring ecosystem, offering real-time alerts, live view, and control via the Ring app for comprehensive smart home protection.